That man, Sad Diesel done did this junk again, man. Oh my God.
I'm rushing, trying to get to this house, man. Gotta be at the scrapyard before 4:30. It's gonna be hard, but I'm in the Tahoe right now. I'm finna get about this thing real quick, jump in the truck, and go and take this stuff called the scale, because they said it closed tomorrow. I can't be stuck with this stuff the whole weekend. Got a lot of other more stuff to pick up, a lot of other more stuff to throw away. But it's your boy. You hear me? Shaq Diesel, Shaq Diesel, Shaq Diesel. And I'm back with another video. But this video here, man, I'm rushing, beating time, but I guess y'all to see it in a minute. I gotta make it happen, man. Gotta do it today. I just called them. They said it closed exactly at 4:30. Y'all seen what happened last time when the guy got there late, that they turned him around. So I can't afford to let that happen. I got too much on the back of my truck, too much at stake right now, you know what I'm saying, for this whole weekend. And that's part of my money maker. I got a lot of trucks, but one of them is acting crazy right now. So I wouldn't have been panicking. The other truck was running good, but something happened when I hit a pothole and it shut off. So but I'm finna get in this one and go ahead and make this money. It is right here already loaded. Tim already got to the front for me to jump out of this truck. Let these windows up before I forget. Jump out of this truck. We jumping in that one and we out. The seatbelt off. I hope I can get the seatbelt off. All right.
Are you turning off?
Yeah.
Leave it over?
Yeah, I was. I'm finna go. Oh, okay, my bad. I ain't know you was out here. Let me go and get going, man, for this. Before I get miss and get stuck. Hey.
Hey.
Pause. I'm finna pause it. Man, that truck going side to side, y'all. Side to side. Light keep catching me. Oh, it turned green then. I think I got up to 50 miles per hour. Trying to shake me up out of here, so I'm about to calm down with the speed. Gotta make it do what it do, though. You know what I'm talking about? Shit, gotta make it get it off. Come on, dude. One thing, rushing ain't good, because other drivers make it worse. You really see when you rushing, you really see how other drivers really drive, for real. They terrible. Way worse than what you would be. But I'm gonna let that window up. For some reason it's kind of cold here in Alabama today. Y'all see all this stuff back in the back window? That shit crazy. Look at all the motors and transmission. But I'm gonna get there in a minute. All right, y'all, trying to wait, see. I don't see nobody back here. Tell me where to go.
Somebody walk on back behind you now.
Nah? Oh, they do, yeah. I seen him. I see him in your mirror. It's too tight. It's too tight. You don't think he could bump it with that thing? Finally get some weight off. That's it. Yeah.
Go down the scale once and come back and leave it
Okay.
way down.
All right. Can I leave it up here? Can I leave it up here or no?
We'll right here, right?
Yeah.
See how long you
I told you I was riding my ass off there. This dude was swerving. There we are. And I called you.
was that when I came?
Now me. Now me. All the way from Auburn. Yeah. Actually, believe it or not, y'all.
My frowning face when you drove on that skip.
I ain't got it. I ain't got it, y'all. I ain't got it. But look, y'all, the video is over with. I done make my money. I done make my cheese. I'm finna get out of here, y'all, man. It's Friday. We finna make something happen. It's your boy,